I've been meaning to clean this area for a very long time. In fact, I was dreading having to use a paper towel and wipe each line down. Then I remembered that I had this cordless a car vacuum cleaner that I received from Amazon Vine that I needed to try out. So this is very exciting because I've just found an easy way of cleaning my silicone mats in my kitchen. Sometimes my kids just love to make breadcrumbs mess there and leave them uncleaned. So this will definitely be very helpful when it comes to picking up all those breadcrumbs and such. So this is a cordless car vacuum, and this is everything it comes with, including this manual. There's quite a few pieces here. So right out of the box, you get the vacuum itself. And I will say it's actually really lightweight and easy to hold. This is a charging port, and it comes with a Type-C charger, which charges pretty fast. Now, it also comes with multiple attachments. At first, it might look like a lot, but once you start using them, you realize each one has its purpose depending on what you're cleaning. Some are best for tight corners, some for wider areas, and some are more for brushing or loosening debris. And one thing I really like is that it also comes with an extra filter. This is a HEPA filter, and one of them comes already installed. And these filters are reusable, so you can wash it and reuse it and then switch it out later when you feel the need for a new one. So to open the vacuum, you just twist right here, and this is where the filter sits inside the bag. And when you're done cleaning, you just open it up and dump everything out, which obviously is a bonus. Now, when it comes to actually using it, you just hold the power button down for a few seconds to turn it on. And I like that it shows you the battery level, so you know exactly how much charge you have left. It also has different power modes depending on how much suction you need. And for something this small, it's actually pretty powerful. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use it here because I've been meaning to clean this area for a while. So you can see picking up crumbs, dust, and all that built up mess pretty easy. I don't have to keep going over the same spot too many times, which saves time. And because it's cordless, I can just move around freely without worrying about outlets or cords getting in the way. It also works as a blower, which I didn't expect to use as much, but it's actually helpful for pushing dust out of tight areas before vacuuming. So it comes with multiple attachments, 4 of them attached to the main vacuum for suction, and the others connect to the bottom or back depending on whether you want to vacuum or use it as a blower. And I also love that you can use this for your inflatables. I mean, this is definitely a versatile product. I like that it's portable, it's easy to use, it actually fits in small spaces. You can store it in your car, in your home, travel with it. There's so many uses, so something I would definitely recommend